Here are the directions for Lesson 17-8, Ordering Numbers. All right, let's take a look at guided practice. Write the numbers in order from least to greatest. Okay, so number 1 has been done for us, and they order the numbers from least to greatest with 356, 439, and then 560. So we're going to look at number 2. We have 628, 692, and 547. When looking at numbers to decide which one is the least and which one is the greatest, we need to look at the first digit, which would be the hundreds digit. So by looking at 628, 692, and 547, we know that 5 in the hundreds digit of 547 would be the smallest number. So I am going to write 547 here. Okay, now we look at the next two numbers, which are 628, 692. Well, both hundreds digits are the same. They're both 6. So now I'm going to look at the tens digit. We have a 2 and we have a 9. So then you have to think, what is smaller, 2 or 9? Well, it would be the 2, so the next number would be 628, okay? And then the last number would be 692. All right, number 3. We have 3 numbers. We have 333, 318, and 337. Well, by looking at the hundreds digit in each number, I notice they're all 3s. So now I'm going to have to go to the tens, so I have a 3 here, a 1 here, and a 3 here. While by looking at the tens digit in each of those numbers, I know the 1 is going to be smaller than the 3 in the other two numbers. So 318 is going to go here for the least. Now I have to look at 333, 337. Well, the tens digits are the same as well, so now I have to go to the ones. I have a 3 and a 7. Which one is smaller? 3. That is correct. So our next number would be 333, and the last number 337. Okay? And then number 4. It has 101, 130, 103. Again, each hundreds digit is a 1. So now I'm going to look at the second number. I have a 0, a 3, or a 0. Well, we know 0 is smaller than 3, so now I have to look at the third digit, the 1 and the 3. Well, I know 1 is smaller than 3, so 101 is going to be the least. 103 would come next, and then the last number would be 130. Okay, let's take a look at do you understand? Is a number with 3 digits always greater than a number with 2 digits? How do you know? Well, let's take a look. If we have a number with 3 digits, let's say for example 101, and then I have a number with 2 digits, which is 50, is this number with 3 digits going to always be greater than this number with 2 digits? Yes. The answer is yes, because 101 has 3 digits. It's a 3-digit number. That means there's a hundreds, a tens, and a ones, whereas a 2-digit number just has a tens and a ones. So your answer would be yes. Okay, let's take a look at just what you'll be doing on your own. It says, whoops, excuse me, let me erase that. There we go. It says, write the numbers in order from least to greatest. Okay, so make sure on number 5 and 6, you're going from least to greatest. Least to greatest. But then when you look at number 7 and 8, you're going from greatest to least. Greatest to least, greatest to least. And that means biggest to smallest, okay? So always, always, always make sure you read those directions to make sure you're doing it right. Okay, and then number sense. 3 children play a game. Read the clues, write the numbers to match their scores. Tia has fewer points than Raj. Allie has the least number of points. So by reading those clues, if you look at the second clue, Allie has the least number of points. What you're going to do is come over here and see which number is the smallest, the least. And that is going to be Allie. You would write her name next to that score, okay? And then Tia has fewer than Raj, so that means Raj is going to have the most. And then Tia would have fewer than Raj. And then you would write their names next to their score. Okay? Alright, please make sure you ask questions if you don't understand or re-listen to my directions on your rewind and play again. Let's take at the back. Problem solving. 3 children read books. Order the number of pages they read from least to greatest. Order the numbers of pages they read from least to greatest. That's a G. Let me fix that for you. Okay? From least to greatest. Okay, number 11. Ray has 111 stamps. Josie has 121 stamps. Ming has the greatest number of stamps. Choose the number of stamps that Ming has. And number 12, journal. Order the numbers 964, 694, 946 from greatest to least. Then write a story about the numbers. When you are finished with your paper, please put it on the yellow table. Thank you.